The story of Arfa Kareem. Arfa Kareem Randhawa, commonly known as Arfa Kareem, was a young Pakistani computer prodigy who gained worldwide recognition for her remarkable achievements in the field of technology. Born on February 2, 1995, in Faisalabad, Pakistan, Arfa showed an exceptional aptitude for computers from a very early age. Arfa's journey began when she was just 9 years old. She developed an interest in programming and started learning various programming languages such as C++ and Visual Basic. Her passion and determination led her to set a new world record in 2004, becoming the youngest Microsoft Certified Professional (MCP) at the age of 9. This accomplishment brought Arfa international fame and made her a role model for many aspiring young minds around the world. She received invitations to various prestigious technology conferences and events, where she shared her knowledge and inspired others with her story. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, was impressed by Arfa's talent and invited her to visit the company's headquarters in Redmond, Washington. Arfa had the opportunity to meet and interact with Gates, who praised her abilities and encouraged her to pursue her dreams. Arfa continued to excel academically while actively participating in technology-related activities. She received numerous awards and accolades for her achievements, including the President's Pride of Performance Award, which she received from the government of Pakistan. Tragically, Arfa's extraordinary journey was cut short when she suffered a cardiac arrest at the age of 16. Despite receiving medical treatment, she passed away on January 14, 2012. Her untimely demise left a void in the tech world and saddened people worldwide. Arfa Kareem's legacy, however, continues to inspire countless individuals, especially young girls, to pursue their passion for technology. She serves as a shining example of what can be accomplished with determination, talent, and the courage to dream big. To honor her memory and contributions, the Arfa Software Technology Park was established in Lahore, Pakistan. The park is a hub for technological innovation and a center for nurturing young talent in the field of information technology. Arfa Kareem will always be remembered as a prodigious talent and a symbol of inspiration for generations to come. Her story reminds us that age is no barrier to success and that anyone with a passion for learning and determination can achieve greatness.